Hello friends, welcome to the channel. So today I'm gonna make a friend that will always make videos with me. Cause I didn't like the solo mode of me. And I don't want to do solo anymore. I want a friend. So let's go ahead for search. Okay. Oh, PKXD girl, please don't cry. Please don't cry. I have something for you. Will you be my PKXD solo? Will you be my PKXD duo and make videos with me? Will you? I'm waiting for your answer. Friend? That's good. Now stop crying, please. Okay, now it's even better. That's great. Okay, now come. Now you are my duo artist. So I first need to check out your house.
Are you on YouTube?
Yes. I said duo artist.
Call me friend.
Okay, I will.
Are you going? Where are you going?
I'm going at your house, friend.
House?
Yes. I think you look pretty rich.
Yeah, no.
I'm
not rich at all.
I just need to find your house.
I am actually a rookie. I basically don't know how anything works.
Oh, you are a rookie. Then it would be very happy of me if you come and let me teach you something. Okay, I found your house. I'm going in.
Where are you? I can't find my own house.
Look, that's your house.
Yeah,
in front
found
of
it.
you.
I'm sorry.
Wow, that's a pretty house.
I'm sorry, I'm stupid.
No, you're not. You're just a rookie. When I was a rookie first time, I didn't even know about
In
that.
which room are you?
I'm in front of you.
Oh yeah, here you are.
Okay, now let's go check out house.
Your house?
Yes, let's check out my house. Let's see.
Okay, I'm following you.
Even I have an igloo house with me right now.
Oh. I walked into a door. Oh my god, I entered someone's house actually.
Okay, that's okay. Sometimes I can't even walk right now.
I accidentally bumped into a wall and went in somebody's house.
That happened to me a lot.
That's trespassing.
Where are you? Like,
I don't know.
Can you see a pink igloo house?
I can see my own house.
Okay, let's see. Let me see. I'm waiting for you at front of my house.
Oh wait, I am coming.
Can you see a big tower?
Yes, I can. I am actually beside.
Can you see a pink house? Oh, look, did you find it?
Yes,
Where
I
are you?
did.
Where are you?
I see you. Do I see you? Is this
Yes, you found my house. You found my house.
Oh, there is another girl here.
Oh yes, that's just the intruder.
Intruder. People visit each other's houses.
Yes, it's so normal. You didn't know?
Of course I know.
Okay, this is my old house, and let me change to my new house.
This is your old one?
Yes, I was just.
So,
wanted to
I am
show you.
outside your house again.
Oh yes, because I wanted to.
Yeah,
edit your
because
house.
you wanted to change it. I know.
Yes, now this is my new house.
Miraculous.
Let's go inside.
It's pretty big.
Yes,
And
I spent money on it.
yeah, I can see that. And it's very aesthetically pleasing.
Yes, you can see outside my garden.
Yeah, I saw that.
Okay, now now you are my duo artist, then you couldn't stay at your house at night. You have to be at my house, and you will live at my house.
Well,
Yes, you will live
so
at.
what about my house?
Your house will be there.
Well, it will be a hangout.
No, when I'm not online right then.
Then I will be there.
Then you'll be and
Okay, I understand.
and that's our only hangout. And if you want to talk about something, this is our place.
Okay.
And this is our toy, in which you
I'm
can.
checking out your house.
Oh, that's
You
my
haven't-
pet room.
Yeah, I know. I saw pet beds.
And oh yes, and come here. I
Let's
have
check
a
more.
even karaoke.
Yeah.
Okay, look here. This is a party room.
Okay, good.
And this, let me show you my trophy room.
Trophy room.
Yes, it's right behind you. See,
This one is pretty big and nice. Oh, this is.
look, this is my zero gravity event, and this is my PKXD anniversary.
Nice, nice.
What? Okay, and let me show you. Let me show you my dining table. I always waited for someone to join my house because I was so alone that I couldn't like it.
Lonely.
Yes, I was so lonely, you can see. I even have the pet beds too. Look,
I am in the.
you are
In the main room. Yeah, I'm in the
Yeah.
living room.
Okay, you have to go. Yes, you are at the right way.
I think.
Can you see me?
Yeah, I saw.
Okay, now this,
Ah.
can you see a barrier?
Yeah, I do.
Now follow me.
Here, I went in. I'm beside the cake.
This is the food I eat.
It's pretty big.
Yeah, but you can also get burgers over here.
Hmm.
You should check your backpack. I gifted you something. You should check your backpack. I gifted
Oh
you
yeah,
some
I'm
cake.
checking it right
You
now.
got some cake from me.
Cake.
Well, what are you laughing at?
Thank you. No, I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at something other.
Okay, you can here drink milk over here.
Ah, he needs some milk. I'm sorry. My vocabulary just consists of memes.
Oh, that's okay.
It has to be okay.
Okay, let me. And now, can you show me your pets?
My pets?
Yes.
Oh yeah, wait. I'm showing you my pets. I have a cat. That's all I have.
Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty old.
Poor.
No, you're not poor. Now you're living with me, and the richest. I have the richest house in the whole server.
That's really awesome.
Okay, now. And now, let's head to your bed.
My bed?
Yes, your bed. What did you say right now?
I said my bed?
Oh yeah, okay. Which one do you want?
I want the egg.
You want the egg bed?
Mhm.
Okay, I got it from the Easter event.
Yeah, pretty cool.
And you
Where am I?
You
Oh, I found it. I found the way.
you found the way? Okay, now.
Your
Please,
house is like pretty
Amaze.
big, so I got lost.
Amaze.
Pretty big, I got lost.
Okay, now you must have to check the egg
Bye
bed.
bye, I'm going to sleep.
You must check the egg bed first.
Get out of my bed, bro.
That's pretty fun.
Get
Open
out
the
of my
egg.
bed. Yeah, get out of my bed now.
Okay.
Eh.
And here are your pet beds.
Okay, how do I enter my bed now?
You just have to tap on it. Not on the tap option. Have to tap on the bed. Did you enter it?
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Yes, I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to go out of it, you just have to jump.
Nah, I'm pretty tired. Bye bye. Good night.
Okay, but you didn't close your eyes.
I'm joking.
You didn't close your eyes.
I'm joking. I'm going to close my eyes. I'm using my phone right
If
now.
you are new here, then you must not have that close eye emote.
Yeah, I don't think I do.
Okay, but please don't mind me when I sleep.
Why?
You'll regret it.
What? It's okay. I'm going to sleep. I took the
Please
egg.
don't look at me when I sleep.
Trust me, I won't.
Okay?
I'm inside my egg. I like my egg. Ah! Bye bye.
No.
I'm going to give you your privacy. Bye bye.
Huh? What? Where are you? Where are
I'm
you?
in the hallway. You said don't look at you while you sleep, so I'm not looking at you. I'm outside the room. Eh!
Ah!
Go away, you.
Ah! Ghost, run away!
I told you not to come. Like, why are you?
Run away! Run away.
Okay.
Ghost, there's a ghost in my house. Haha, ghost, you can't touch me right now.
I don't plan on getting you at all.
What?
Bye bye.
What was this? Okay, I have to go get at my professional. I have to get at my house.
Ready?
I have to get ready for someone's. Oh yes, I want to tell you why you will regret it. Cause I don't wear clothes while sleeping.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, and I am blood.
Yeah, bald. Yeah, I saw you bald.
And I sleepwalk. That's why I said you will regret
And you
it.
also sleep talk and sleep run from ghost.
What?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Now it's night time for you to sleep.
Yeah, I am going my home. I will
No,
move
you
to
should
your
sleep
house
at
from
night.
tomorrow.
No, this is your own house. This is your house for now. This is
Okay.
and the first, and you should take a bath first. Cause I
No, I don't take baths at night. I wake
No,
up
no,
in
I-
the morning and I
no.
shower and I then sleep.
No, I have a hot bath. You should first take
No,
a bath.
I don't.
No, you should.
No, I won't.
No, you should. Okay, that's good.
Yeah, but I still won't take a shower.
You don't take a shower. You take a bath.
No, I won't.
You just have to get into my bathtub.
You
Go in.
are stubborn. Okay? Good? Bye.
Okay. I have filled the water and I'm going to take a shower. And you know what?
Candy apple.
And you know what?
I'm done. Bye bye. I'm going to sleep.
And I am a ghost. Own self.
I am done.
Yeah.
Eren Jaeger.
What?
You look scary right now.
Who looks very right now?
Get out of my tub.
Oh.
Okay, bye.
Okay, now we are going to sleep. Okay, let's go to bed. Okay, I'm going to sleep.
Okay, now I'm going to sleep. 2.
That's great. Okay, good night. So bye bye friends. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video.
Share and
And
please give us your comments. Bye bye.
A lots of love from PK the superhero.